Are you feeling anxious about market volatility? You're not alone. Recent weeks have seen fluctuations driven by President Trump's new trade tariffs. Investors are understandably spooked by uncertainty in economic growth. But within this chaos lies opportunity. Today, let's focus on Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing, commonly known as TSM. Currently priced at $152.09, it offers a glimpse of stability amidst the turmoil. It has a 52-week range of $125.78 to $226.40 and a dividend yield of 1.42%. So, why is TSM a top pick? Consider this. Almost all technology sectors rely on semiconductors. Trump's exemptions on tariffs for critical tech products underscore their importance. TSM stands as the backbone of many consumer electronics, exempted from these tariffs. Unlike popular names like Nvidia and Apple, TSM is integral for their success. Both companies need TSM to thrive. This strategic positioning helps TSM navigate an uncertain market. Plus, with plans to invest over $165 billion into manufacturing in the US, they're set to reduce dependency on Asian supply chains. However, TSM isn't alone. Intel is also repositioning its manufacturing. Yet, no competitor matches TSM's market share or influence. What's the current sentiment? Historically, bearish trends lead investors to shy away. But a shift toward optimism can be telling. Despite trading at 68% of its 52-week high, TSM has garnered attention from analysts. Needham & Company recently reiterated a buy rating for TSM, with a new price target of $225. This could represent an impressive upside potential. Institutional investments are flooding in, exceeding $1 billion in the latest quarter. It's clear, TSM is crucial for tech giants like Nvidia and Apple. As awareness spreads, TSM's attractiveness at current prices rises. For example, Dover Advisors recently increased its TSM holdings by 9.2%, signaling strong confidence. But should you dive in? Currently, TSM holds a moderate buy rating among analysts. It's worth noting that some top-rated analysts recommend 5 other stocks. Research and consider your options wisely. In conclusion, while volatility reigns in the market, companies like Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing stand out. With its fundamental importance in the tech landscape, TSM may provide a lucrative opportunity. Curious about the 5 stocks top analysts recommend? Explore those insights now. And don't forget to download our exclusive 2025 Gold Forecasting Report for a secure investment strategy. Unlock opportunities today.